Good morning. I'm here with Stephanie from Rumble Interiors again. A lot of people are working from home or early in the office. We're talking about how to feng shui your desk and what you can do to have a better chi throughout your workspace. Stephanie, where's the best place to start with your desk?
Well, I always like to start in the prosperity section.
Okay.
So prosperity section, now this might be out of proportion, it's a little bit big, but jade plant is an excellent thing to put on your desk. Jade represents wealth anyway, and it's a round leaf plant. So round leaf plant, wealth, and then if you place something over here that has with intention, so how do you do that? So here's 3 coins. So the red ribbon wrapped around the 3 coins is going to bring that some energy. Okay. So you put about your intention, what you think prosperity is.
Prosperity is to me, and then I put it in the prosperity section on the prosperity plant.
Yes.
Okay.
And so that is purple, which represents prosperity as well. So you can put that in this area with intention.
Now you talked about we don't have to be able to see it always.
Nope, you don't have to see it, so you can hide underneath.
A purple triangle in the middle of your desk.
Correct.
You can put it underneath. So that's the same thing of the intention with that prosperity.
Yep. Without intention, all this is BS.
Okay. So make sure you have intention in whatever you're doing.
Yes. Okay. So then this is your fame and reputation area. So things that you can have in your fame and reputation area: your business cards, plaques of your achievements, pointed plants. This is the only place in all of feng shui that you can have cactus. Cactus are actually not good plants for feng shui.
Is in this section.
Is in this section. So things that are pointed.
Okay,
so
can
like
go in the prosperity
flames,
section.
Candles, the color is red in this area.
Okay.
So you can take that piece with intention.
And same thing, hide it somewhere. If you don't want to, we'll hide behind the business cards.
Try anyway.
We'll try. We'll get there. Okay.
Okay, and then we've got love and relationships over here.
Top right.
On your desk, think about, this might not be you trying to find the love of your life on your desk. This is more about probably your relationships with your clients, with your coworkers, stuff like that. So that was what your intention would be for that.
So really, like in your home, this would be maybe more your love life. Here it would be maybe your clients.
Right. In your home, it's also called love and marriage. So if you're trying to manifest that.
Okay.
And then we've got amethyst.
Okay.
So amethyst can kind of go anywhere, but I always like to put amethyst in prosperity.
Okay.
Because it's purple, and purple represents prosperity.
And sort of, okay.
And then I think we're really hyper focusing on prosperity. So that's citrine.
Okay. What's citrine mean?
That's the wealth. It's a wealth crystal again.
Well, we're at wealth. We're at work, so we want wealth. We're not working for free. So we want to make sure that we get that one covered.
So we've got prosperity, fame and reputation, how you're viewed in the world, about your business, love and relationships, so more about love of your clients and that kind of stuff. Then we've got children and creativity. So this would be like if you had things that you doodle with, or colored pencils, or notebooks or journals. It's going to go right there. And we've got helpful people in travel. So this is where you can summon people that you need.
If there's somebody you want to meet.
If there's somebody you want to meet, or just being open to the flow of being in the right place at the right time and meeting the right people. It's also a really good place to charge your phone, because that's where all your contacts are.
Oh, because that's where the people are.
Yep, that's where the people are, is in your phone. And
so
you can also take
front right corner to report for your phone, just so you all know.
Yes. And so if you think about the front of your desk is where your career section is. So laptop, having your laptop here, you can stick that guy.
What's yellow mean?
Yellow is for health. So health is going to go under that too, because health is right in the middle.
Okay.
And then this is going to be right in the front. We had already put that there.
Okay.
Water is for this section, which is skills and knowledge.
Skills and knowledge. Okay. So we hide that underneath. You said mirrors work too. Would that be a place for a mirror then too?
I mean, if you're trying to reflect and want more of something, yeah, you can put mirrors somewhere. You just have to be careful. Mirrors represent water. So anywhere that you don't want water, you don't want a mirror. So fame and reputation, if you have a mirror here, you're putting out your flame.
Okay.
Water puts fire out.
Okay.
So there's all these elements that kind of swirl together
to get you that good feng shui, to get your chi flowing.
And to keep your desk clean. Like you were talking earlier about how before you start something,
I clean my desk.
Clean your desk.
A bigger project, I will go clean my desk and spend a lot of time doing that, and then I'll start.
Right. Because it puts your. Why do you do that?
I just felt I did this before. I've done it a long time. I do it because then I feel like I can get things moving and going, and I feel my flow just starts moving. And then usually a 2-hour project that I thought takes 40 minutes, I'm like, oh, you know.
So you were already doing feng shui.
I Yeah, see, there you go, where I was already doing it. You probably are too, actually. We talked about that. A lot of people kind of will innately pick up.
A lot of
some
people
it.
intuitively do it. So the idea behind all of this is if you put a piece of intention in each one of these sections, you can't help consciously or subconsciously to think about that when you go back through that section again.
Okay.
So your mind is constant. Now every time you look at this, you're going to think of whatever it is you said to that.
Okay.
In all the
Okay.
sections.
Well, there you go. Feng Shui for your desk. Stephanie's link is below. Check it out if you want to learn more about Feng Shui. Give her a call about your interior design. Thank you, Stephanie.
Yeah.